Hey ladies and gentlemen, how are you? My name is Alan with the Contractor License School, and today I want to talk to you about the Contractor License online prep course for your General Engineering Construction License, also known as your A license. And I really want to talk to you about 5 things today. The first one is the options. So with our online program, you have access to either our homeschool or our live stream. Now, our homeschool is for that student who says, hey, give me my books, give me my materials, give me access, let me go to town, let me go at my own pace, and you just scream through it and get it done, right? Now, the live stream is a little bit different. That's for that student that goes, you know, I'm not sure, I can't make it to the school, maybe you live too far or whatever reason, you want to save on gas, and you think, you know what, I want that teaching experience, that live instructional experience. Well, that's what we give you. So whether you have a cell phone, iPad, or computer, whatever you have internet to, we can send our passcode links to there. You access our system, and from there, I'm going to teach you live. You're going to be able to ask questions. You're going to be able to talk and collaborate back and forth, not only with me, but you'll hear other students asking questions as well, because we're going to be broadcasting each one of our classes live each night. Now, the next thing that I want you to be aware of, which is number 2, is I want you to be aware of our materials. So first of all, you're going to get this beautiful bag. This is one of those backpack bags. That's right. Has our tagline, our passion is your success. And here's the great thing. You put this on your back, you walk around town, everybody's going to be jealous, just letting you know. But all kidding aside, so we're going to provide you with the video access to watch the video training and also math training and health and safety training. That's going to prepare you for your trade material right here in a DVD format and also in audio format, the same lessons in audio. And the other thing is this, you're going to also get access to our law and trade manual. We're going to provide these to you. They're going to come to your, we're going to mail them out to you. And the reason why I'm so particularly excited about this is because when I graduated, right, when I went to the Contractor State testing facility and I came walking out of there, I thought to myself, man, that was weird. The curriculum didn't seem to totally jive with the test. And I thought to myself, if I ever start a contractor licensing school, I'm going to rewrite this material and going to make it better. I wasn't happy with the curriculum I had, and so I really wanted to make it better. So I took my experience as an elementary school principal and educator, and I took that and my construction experience as a licensed contractor doing projects all over the state of California, the US, and even around the world. And I took that information and I wrote what I believe to be the best curriculum in all of the state of California. Why? Because I wrote it, and I designed it in such a way so it will have the best, latest, cutting-edge technology in how it teaches you and instructs you, but also in leveling up your learning capacity and memorization capacity. I really dive into helping you to utilize those concepts and those mechanisms for learning better. So I want you to go through this. You're going to see how that works when you dive into it and see what's there. But that leads me also to number 4, which is our online program. With our homeschool, you get access to our entire online program. You go to our website, go into the login portal. From there, you're going to have access to more videos, more audio to download into your phone. You could be there at work with the earbuds in, listening to the audio of the Law and Business, which is going to really help you out. And you could take our quizzes. But here's the best of all. You could take our state simulated exams right there from the comfort of your home or wherever you're at. Maybe you're at one of those really nice Mexican cuisines, Taco Bell, having a chalupa, and on your cell phone taking some tests, right? We want to make sure that those are accessible to you. And here's the beautiful thing. You could take them over and over and over again until you pass our test. You pass our test, you're going to pass the state exam. And finally, number 5, our service. We want you to know that we do not want you to feel like just another cog in the wheel. We want to work you through this process. We're not one of those schools that just brings you in, spits you out, you're on your way, you got your license done. We hope to be a resource to you as you begin to level up. I'm a serial entrepreneur that owns several businesses, and I want to make sure that as you're growing, if you need help, you need assistance, you want some consulting, you just want to ask a question, you can give us a call. My team's fully trained, equipped, ready to rock and answer some of those questions. You need to have a Zoom meeting with me. We can do that if you don't live near me. I just want to make sure that that as you're growing, you have a resource that you know you're not out there alone. That's the last thing I want you to think about, okay? So ladies and gentlemen, we want to encourage you. This has been a discussion on the contractor license prep course that we have to offer to you, which deals with the general engineering contractor, also known as the A license. My name is Alan, and our website is www.contractorlicenseschool.com. Have a great year. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.